If you're wondering how to duplicate top posts and reschedule for later, you've come to the right place. In just 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and easily. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, available only to viewers of this channel. First off, why would you want to duplicate your top posts? Well, this is a great way to maximize engagement without having to create fresh content every time. Whether it's a post that got a lot of attention or something you know will resonate with your audience again, duplicating and rescheduling allows you to reuse that success without reinventing the wheel. It saves time and effort while keeping your social media presence consistent. The software we'll be using today has made this process super simple. All you need to do is log in and find the post you want to duplicate. In most platforms, you'll find an option to either copy or duplicate a post. This takes the exact content, including text, images, or videos, and creates a new draft. Once you've duplicated your post, you'll want to adjust it slightly to ensure it doesn't seem like a direct repost. Maybe tweak the caption a bit or update the image. A little adjustment keeps things fresh and engaging for your audience. Next, we're going to reschedule the post. This is where things get really powerful. Instead of posting immediately, you can select a time and date in the future when you want this content to go live. Choose a time when your audience is most active. If you're not sure when that is, the software will give you suggestions based on your past engagement patterns. You can even select multiple dates and times if you want to test what works best for different segments of your audience. Now, once you've set the time and date, hit schedule. The post will automatically go live at the time you've chosen, and you won't have to worry about it until it does. It's a real time saver, especially if you manage multiple accounts or need to stay active even when you're busy with other tasks. I've tried out some of the most popular tools for this task, but trust me, the software we're using today is the easiest and most effective. It gives you full control over your posts and keeps everything organized in one place. I've also linked a free trial exclusive to viewers of this channel, so if you want to follow along with me, be sure to grab it from the description below. To summarize, here's your quick rundown on how to duplicate top posts and reschedule them for later. 1. Duplicate the post you want to reuse. 2. Tweak it slightly to keep it fresh. 3. Choose the best time to reschedule it and hit schedule. 4. Let the software do the rest. Key takeaway: duplicating and rescheduling your top posts is an easy way to repurpose your best content and engage your audience without extra effort. It's efficient and helps keep your social media presence strong. And don't forget, if you want to try the software we just used, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.